Welcome to another XDP manufacturer Q&A. Today we're joined by Aaron from PacBrake to talk about the PacBrake line of air spring kits and why they're a great choice for any diesel owner. So Aaron, what is the purpose of the PacBrake Air Spring Kit?
PacBrake Air Spring Kits are really going to help you tow heavy loads, because without them, when you tow that heavy load and your butt sags down on the back when you put it on, your headlights are going to point into the air, blinding everybody. You're going to take the weight off the front of your tires, so your steering and handling will be not as good. And you're also going to get suspension fatigue in the back end. So adding the air spring kit, you're going to raise that back end back up to a level load. Your headlights are going to come down, the steering and handling is going to be much better, and you'll reduce any fatigue on your suspension.
What truck models are the PacBrake Air Spring Kits compatible with?
Whole variety. I mean, you've got everything from your Ford, GM, Chevy, and Dodge to the Mazda B series of trucks, Nissan Titans. We go all the way back into the 1960s for Ford models, so we cover everything.
What problems can occur when hauling heavy loads or pulling a trailer without the PacBrake Air Spring Kit? And how does this kit help to alleviate those problems?
Sure, so some problems that can occur when you are carrying a heavy load is that your suspension gets really squished down and gets a lot of fatigue on it with the heavy load. You could even bottom out, which isn't good for your truck. You'll lose some steering and handling capability because the weight's going to come off your front tires and your headlights are going to point into the air. So the air spring kit really helps address that by raising the back end of your truck, giving you more support, preventing you from bottoming out. It's going to redistribute the weight evenly across your vehicle so you get your steering and handling back to like it was before. And of course your headlights then are going to point straight ahead and you're not going to blind everybody.
What benefits can be expected after installing the PacBrake Air Spring Kit?
I think the biggest benefit you're going to find once you've installed the PacBrake Air Spring Kit is just confidence and peace of mind. You're going to have confidence that you can steer and handle your vehicle much more like normal, even though you got a heavy load in the back. And our kits are so heavy duty that you're going to have peace of mind that they're going to work for a long time.
What features contribute to the strength and durability of the PacBrake Air Springs?
The inch-thick aluminum end caps are probably one of the biggest things. I mean, those things are not going to rust or leak. And we have 20 support wires going around it, which is by far the most in the industry. And our 2-ply thick rubber, it's never going to burst or leak. So really heavy-duty stuff. The other thing that sets us apart, and many people maybe don't think about, are the install instructions. I've heard from thousands of dealers and customers how our install instructions and the way we package things to make it easy to find the stuff you need to do the install are second to none. We make it really easy and really simple, so if you even need to do it yourself, you can do so.
A huge thanks to Aaron from PacBrake for taking the time to give us an inside look at the PacBrake Air Spring Kits. To find out more and get a kit for your truck, head on over to xdp.com today.